Hello kiddies, this video will share you that cute easy drawing of dragon and also some mythical facts about dragons. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. The dragon is a legendary creature belonging to the world of mythology and fantasy. Number 2. There are many stories about dragons in Chinese culture and European culture and many others. Number 3. Dragons can look like dinosaurs and other extinct. Number 4. There are many kinds of dragons in different cultures. Usually people think of dragons in these ways. Number 5. A dragon has 0 or 4 legs and claws and scales and possibly spikes. They sometimes have wings. Number 6. A dragon can look like a snake with wings or like lizards. Number 7. A dragon has a tail and a long neck. It has a wide mouth with big and dangerous teeth and also sometimes has a horn and hair. Number 8. A dragon can fly and it can breathe fire. This is described as dragon's special power. Number 9. In China, dragons symbolize wealth, power and leadership. Number 10. Chinese emperors were believed to be descendant of dragons. Number 11. Rainbow dragons will bursting with colors. These dragons have scales that shimmer in all the hues of rainbow. They bring joy and beauty. Number 12. Sky dragon is the master of the skies. These dragons soar through clouds with wings that span wide. They bring thunderstorm and lightning. Number 13. Celestial dragons connected to the stars and cosmic magic. Number 14. Forest dragons camouflaged by the lush greenery of forests. It blend with nature. Number 15. Ice dragons reign supreme. Their ice breath can freeze anything in their path. Thanks to watch kiddies. I hope you like this cute easy drawing of dragon and also facts about dragons. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel for get more videos. And don't forget that sharing is the caring. So share this video to your friends and families. Thank you. Bye-bye.